in the sprinkle pool. Whoa, I'm sinking.
Sprinkles going in everybody's eyes, okay? It won't hurt. So be careful when you throw sprinkles at somebody, all right, guys? And remember,
Here, lay down right here. Lay all the way down. Here, lay down backwards. Do a sprinkle angel.
Sprinkle angel!
No gummies? No jumping? Do a snowy angel.
Wow. Extreme close up. I'm falling in the sprinkles. Look at this.
How deep are they?
Super deep.
Get in there.
Like how deep?
Get in there.
Wow.
There you go. Get in there. Jump in. Your face in there.
Oh, I'm sinking. I'm sinking. Wow. You gonna do a sprinkle toss? Get your hands full. Sprinkle toss. Ah!
All
Ah!
right, Pressy.
She's burying me in sprinkles.
Say Pressy, get up. Get up.
Wow.
Get up, your shark.
I'm gonna go on the sprinkle dive board over here. Oh, one more minute. Do another sprinkle angel.
Good job, man. Sorry. Oh. Do that. Do the other fish.